Gwen, welcome back. Are you sort of tired of seeing this when you come in and try and get repairs or maintenance on your vehicle? I'm sure you are. We're so close to being able to take all these fleet units and move them off-site to the fleet repair facility, which is going to make it so much easier for you, our retail customers, to bring your vehicles in, get them repaired, get them maintained, and not have to drive around all of this. We've listened to all your feedback, and we know how difficult it can be sometimes. We're working as fast as we can to separate the two types of work so that it does become easier for you to come in and get your oil changes done, get repairs done, and not have to drive amongst all the RVs and the trucks and so on. We're roughly a month away from being able to do a split and make it easier for you.